As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two grills, the Char-Broil Classic 2-burner and the Weber Q1200. They both seem decent, but I'm not sure which one to go with.
Yeah, I see them. The Char-Broil is definitely cheaper, at $139 compared to Weber's $259. That's a big difference right off the bat.
True, price is a factor. But what about size? I need something that can cook for a few people.
Well, the Char-Broil has a larger cooking area, 280 square inches, versus the Weber's 189. You can grill more burgers at once with the Char-Broil, which is great if you're having friends over.
Okay, bigger is better in that case. But I also want something that heats up well. What about BTU rating?
The Char-Broil boasts 20,000 BTUs, while the Weber Q1200 only has 8,500. So the Char-Broil should technically heat up faster and get hotter.
Good to know. But is the Weber well made? I don't want something that's going to fall apart after a year.
Weber's known for its quality. It has porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates and a cast aluminum lid and body, which is pretty durable. The Char-Broil has porcelain coated wire grates, which are okay, but maybe not as long lasting.
Durability is important. Does the Weber have any other advantages?
It's lighter, actually. 30 pounds versus the Char-Broil's 37.5, and it comes fully assembled, which is a bonus. Plus, it has electronic ignition for easy starting.
Oh, I hate assembling things. So Weber is easier to set up, and maybe better quality, but smaller and less powerful and more expensive. The Char-Broil is bigger and more powerful, but potentially less durable and requires assembly.
Exactly. It depends on your priorities. If you need a large cooking surface and high heat, the Char-Broil might be better, but if you value portability, ease of use, and build quality, the Weber could be worth the extra money. And the Weber has way better customer reviews, 4.8 stars compared to Char-Broil's 4.1.
That's a good point about the reviews. Okay, I think I'm leaning towards the Weber. Even with the higher price, it sounds like it'll last longer and be less of a hassle. Thanks for breaking it down. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.